Furniture starts with the foundation, and coil springs are a universally recognized indication of quality. This beautiful hand-tied support system is designed to provide decades of comfort and function, and you are bound to encounter it again and again. While every piece of furniture looks a bit different, understanding how a spring system works and all the steps required to create it will help you navigate different projects with success. In this course, we'll talk about webbing, spring layout, and how to complete an 8-way hand-tied system pass by pass. We'll look at tools and supplies, focusing on modern materials and methods for contemporary furniture. Spring tying is a complex process. We hope this course will help you get started with confidence and that you'll come back to it as a trusted resource again and again.